Good morning, children. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Back for another week of hard work this week. So we're still carrying on with our alien non-fiction writing, but today we are moving on to diary writing. Okay, so today we're just going to have a look at a diary, and then you're going to answer some questions just to make sure you understand what's going on in it. So your to-do today will be a quiz. So here's our alien here. I've decided to call her a she. Let's just read what she says. Exploring planets is very exciting. Every time I visit a planet, I make sure that I keep my explorer's log up to date. It's a bit like a diary, and is where I write down what has happened on my visits. Here is my entry from my visit to Zargon 9 in the Jumula system. Okay, as you can see, Jumula system and Zargon 9 completely made up places. But she sounds very convincing, doesn't she? So we're going to have a look at her diary entry, and then after we look at her diary entry or her explorer's log, you will be able to complete your quiz. I would suggest having this video open and then pausing the video so you can see, you can find your answers. Sorry, I haven't gone lower here because this always gets in the way, so I've gone on to the next page as well. So hopefully that will help you. It's not blocking you. Okay. Yesterday was the most unbelievable day of exploring yet. It all started when I landed on Zargon 9. It was the first time I had ever visited the Jumula system, and I wasn't expecting to see such wonderful sights. Excitedly, I put on my exploring suit and gravity boots, because there is only 20% gravity on the planet. I set out at 09:45 AM, space time. First, I visited the crystal waterfalls and took samples of the purple liquid that cascaded down the falls. After that, I studied the tiny creatures that were teeming through the hard, red soil that covered the landscape. They looked rather like earth spiders, but had 12 legs and tiny horns on their heads. Carefully, I scooped up 2 of them to take back to the ship. Next, I took measurements of wind speed and recorded a temperature of 1004 degrees around the Funnel volcano, which is like a normal volcano, but the shape of a tall, slim tube. After the volcano trip, I walked across the bubbling sludge plains that were covered in green mud. It was easy to walk on, but it wobbled and rippled if I went too fast. Finally, I headed back to the ship because it was getting late. When I got in, I recorded my findings and stored my samples in the lab. Tomorrow, I will travel to Zargon 10. Okay, so there's the log from our alien. And when you go into your to-dos today, children, you will open it up and there'll be a quiz with 6 questions. Okay, so good luck with that. I hope you all enjoy your day. Take care. Bye-bye.